Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task for keeping your client information organized and ensuring smooth invoicing and payment tracking for your business. To get started, navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Sales. This is your hub for managing all customer-related activities, from creating invoices to tracking payments. Once you're in the Sales section, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Customers tab. This will display your current customer list and give you access to customer management tools. Now look towards the top right corner of the Customers page. You'll see a button labeled New Customer. Click on it to begin adding your new customer. A form will appear where you'll enter all the relevant customer details. The first field you'll encounter is Customer Display Name. This field is required, so go ahead and type in how you want this customer to appear throughout QuickBooks. This could be their full name, company name, or whatever identifier makes the most sense for your business. Below the display name, you'll find additional fields for more detailed information. Fill in the customer's first name, last name, company name, email address, phone number, and billing address in their respective fields. These details are important because they'll be used when generating invoices and communicating with your customers, so make sure everything is accurate. If you're adding a customer who falls under another existing customer, perhaps a department within a larger company, you have the option to make them a sub-customer. Simply select the Is a Sub-Customer checkbox and then choose the appropriate parent customer from the Parent Customer drop-down menu. This helps you maintain a clear hierarchy in your customer organization. There's also a section where you can enter internal notes or any additional details you want to keep on file about this customer. This could include payment preferences, special instructions, or any other information your team might need to reference later. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Double-check names, email addresses, and phone numbers to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied that all details are accurate, click the Save button to add this new customer to your QuickBooks Online customer list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.